Not Blueface still going down on Chrisean after he bought a whole ring and proposed to Jaidyn in front of the whole world. Okay, so word on the street is Jaidyn had a major breakdown after Chrisean exposed Blueface for still hooking up with her without protection. Now, if y'all didn't know, Chrisean and Blue have been going at it for days now after Chrisean spilled some tea about Blue hitting her up to hook up even after he had just gotten engaged to Jaidyn. And now the streets are saying Jaidyn broke down when she heard about this because she really thought Blue was over Chrisean for good, but she was obviously wrong. And as for Blue, well, he's been denying the claims, but Chrisean keeps coming with all the receipts and it ain't looking too good for him. So, is Blueface really blowing Chrisean's back out, even though he just left her for Jaidyn? And what exactly does Jaidyn have to say about all of this mess? Let's get into it. Okay, so this whole drama started a few days ago when Chrisean hopped on Instagram Live and said the ring Blue bought for Jaidyn was actually meant for her and was never meant for Jaidyn in the first place.
So damn well that was my ring. Man, people be trolling, right? And I don't troll for real. I just got receipts and I be telling the truth. So, and then I'm ready to say something else, but it's no need to say that. Y'all already know. Come on now. If you know I ain't responding, it's because that's the crazy. That's just. I think honestly, can I be honest? I think that whole shit was probably a publicity stunt.
But Chrisean was not done being messy yet. She also said that Blue was only doing all that to get back at her for leaving him, and that he actually came to her to do the you-know-what.
Y'all keep saying why I wear this. Oh God, it's because like, I ain't gonna hold you. This month for life for real. As much as we don't get each other right now, still gonna pull up like he did yesterday. Like you feel me? We're really like just locked in forever. And then I can't take away from who he is and what he did in my life. Like, I'm Big Rock because of this goofy ass nigga y'all hate. But anyway, not being dead ass. Like, I'm tired of everybody keep on trying to, like, he's doing what he's doing right now because out of pain. Let me tell you, he did that out of pain, because if he was doing that before all this breakup shit, then we would have been like, all right, cool. We got over our differences for real. He's still nothing in me. So I'm kind of like, I don't know what he's doing. Like, you know, he's just all over the place. But anyway.
And that explains why Chrisean has been going around saying she's pregnant again. Because if they really are busting it down raw, it's just a matter of time before she gets pregnant, if she ain't already. Blueface, on the other hand, was not here for Chrisean selling him out for cheating on Jaidyn, and he went on a very explosive rant to blast Chrisean.
Y'all know I'm a married man. Stop playing. Ever since I got engaged, everybody trying to give me the skins. But where was you? Where was you when I had my dick in my hand? Without a plan. No booty cheeks, no bunions. Amen.
But can we really blame Blue for denying it? I mean, it's been speculated he only got engaged to the girl so he could use the money that she's gonna make from her Columbia deal to pay off this $13 million debt. So if what Chrisean is saying is actually true, he needs to make sure he doesn't piss Jaidyn off. One person said the real reason he proposed to Jaidyn is because number one, to get under Chrisean's skin. Number two, Blueface needs her money with that $13 million lawsuit he gotta pay. And number three, he knew Jaidyn was gonna sign a real record deal. Number four, he can do what he wants when he's with Jaidyn. He told them both he will never be faithful to anybody. But baby, it only gets worse from here, because Chrisean posted a video of her having a conversation with Blue over the phone, and he was still denying ever hooking up with her behind Jaidyn's back.
Hello?
So better get this open up.
Hello?
Yeah. What's up?
What do you mean? Did you mean to call me? You called me what?
I said you called me, didn't you?
Yeah, because you keep hanging up and blocking me and uncalling me. Why you mad at me? I'm not playing around. That's crazy.
But Blue didn't just end it there. He went off on Chrisean in a series of very explosive tweets, calling her desperate and delusional and claiming that Chrisean is obsessed with him and only trying to spread these lies so she can destroy he and Jaidyn's relationship. He said, "Am I the only
A house or a laptop? Which one do you think is worth more?" Well, definitely not the house, because
person who's hearing this phone call? I don't care about no good news, no surprise. Stop talking about me. Cause like, WTF, this gotta be harassment at this point. I've never seen a female more delusional. Record me on the phone, literally telling you I don't F with you. Stop talking about me on live. That's literally how I talk to her every time. No sweet shit, no nothing. Like, how do I get this young lady off my D? Now, y'all already know that one thing Chrisean will always do. Oh, baby, she's gonna respond with a nasty clapback. And that's exactly what she did. She said Blue had called her a few days ago crying about her and Lil Mabu linking up, and that he's been begging her to hook up with him for some time now. She said, "I got receipts. You just called me crying about me being out with Mabu. It's okay for you to do you, Papa. I'm just working, LOL. You gotta chill. I invited you to come out. I would have made Mabu stay at home at his dorm. You constantly run knowing it's only hurting you, not me." Y'all, I'm out traveling, getting money for Chrisean Jr. Blue is just somewhere lost. Keep getting at me like I'm forcing him to pretend to the world he's happy. The ninja just one of many ninjas. I'm not the old Chrisean when you used to ask those types of questions when I lived with you. Boy, you got your life, I got mine. I'm not ever here calling you, asking about your mess. I just vibe out with you because we got something here, but we just friends. Carry on, baby daddy. I love you, weirdo. And then she went on to say how Blue still wanted to hook up with her, and so did she, telling him, "No, today was a step, but god damn it, how the fuck you get rid of a soul tie?" Ugh, y'all, I'm disappointed with myself. Hey, Blue, go F yourself. Stop hitting me, bruh. Plus, homie, that shit is unsafe and unsanitary. You gon' F around and get HIV the way you move. Chill, what in the toxic ghetto love story? Ugh, and as expected, Blueface denied it and claims he had nothing to do with Chrisean. If that's true, post the messages. B get online and lie all day to try and make my wife mad. We over here laughing, finna eat dinner. And as for Jaidyn, sources say that even though she's remained quiet through all this BS, she's going through it and has been questioning if she should still go through with her engagement to Blueface. But y'all wanna know what's even crazier? Apparently, Jaidyn feels like Chrisean is the one throwing herself at Blue and forcing him to cheat on her. Baby, I don't think I've ever heard anybody more delusional than that girl. Because it's clear as day that Blueface is still very much hung up on Chrisean. He's been talking about her every other day, but for some reason, Jaidyn still believes Chrisean is the problem. Jaidyn actually hinted at releasing a new song, and according to sources, the song is aimed at addressing everything that's been going down and how it's been affecting her. She tweeted, "Jaidyn, wake up. They want to hear you rap again." Do they? As usual, fans had a lot to say about this whole drama. Like this person who said, "Jaidyn know deep down inside the engagement isn't out of love. He's trying to market her like he did Rock and have her paying the bills. Typical narcissist." Another person said, "Chrisean and Jaidyn must have the lowest self-esteem on earth to allow blue balls to play in their face and disrespect the F out of them publicly." Ooh, child. Now I want to know y'all's thoughts. What do you think about Chrisean exposing Blueface for still hooking up with her? And do you think Jaidyn will finally wake up from her delusion, or will she probably just forgive him yet again? Y'all been knew what to do. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down